G'day folks, Sean here from Invicta Lithium batteries. As always at Invicta, we're constantly developing and innovating, trying to make sure we're ahead of the market with the best product out there. This is the new member of our family, the SNLX 12V120 BT. It's IP67, meaning waterproof, so you can do your creek crossing, you can throw it in your boat, go nuts, the water's not going to hurt this guy. They come with CAN bus communications as well as Bluetooth monitoring, which means you've got more options of how to track your battery. That also means via the CAN bus, you can now series and parallel more batteries than ever. Because the CAN bus is going to talk to each battery, it's going to keep them all balanced and working in unison. So that's really exciting. Up to 16 in parallel now, 1900 amp bank. Not bad, I say. They're a high performance battery with a bigger BMS for more output, so you can run more off it. They're IEC certified for safety and quality, as always with Invicta. They come with a very rigid case, and the really cool thing about this case is it actually comes with its own mounting points and foot tabs, so you can screw those to the bottom, mount them directly down. Doesn't get much easier than that. 7-year full replacement warranty, of course, local support with your trusted brand. And if you want to find out more, check us out on invictalithium.com.au.